that whosoever actively induces infringement of a patent shall be liable as an infringer, right? That is again very important, that it's like not a like somebody is like inducing, it's like a abatement kind of a thing, but it is like a here that infringement is happening by the person who is not directly doing that, but he is inducing that infringement actually, then he is also considered as a infringer. So that is very clearly defined. And as I have told you that in our act as such the definition is not there, but we talk about the rights of a patentee, and then we say that unauthorized, if somebody like hampers that rights, then it is causing the infringement, right. So that is the scenario. Now further, if you go into the details, we have seen the types as a direct infringement, indirect infringement, contributory infringement and a willful infringement, right. So these types you have seen in the last session.